share my screen. Hold on, let me share my screen. So this screen. So as we said yesterday, let's just review. Let's just have a little recap on what we did the other day. A little review. So it's 3 minutes something. Little review. To be a little recap on what happened, on what we talked about the other day, yesterday. So remember your basic market structures. You get basic market structure comprises of what we call trends. You get trends. We have our uptrend, you have our downtrend, you have our accumulation, which you can identify like this. You get you have your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You get these are what comprises of this uptrend. You get. Then let me for clarity's sake, I would explain this thing more. Hold on, I wrote something down to explain more. I know you guys will have questions, so I wrote something down to explain this this particular higher highs and higher low. You get. So let's give another example. Let's say this is our higher high. Let me just use this pictorial this thing to represent it again. This is your higher high, then this is your higher low. You already know this, right? Right? Then
Right.
it comes again, your higher high, then your higher low. As it keeps going, you will realize that this is an uptrend, right? So,
Yeah.
so for you to know that this higher high, it's valid. First, you have to have your break. This higher low has to break this higher high. You get price has to break this higher high. You get it's very very obvious. It is very very obvious. It will break this higher high, then coming back here to create another higher low. You get it is simple to identify. It is simple to identify. If you go to your chart, you will see this most often. You get you will see it properly. You get it's very easy to identify. Let me just now go to the assignment I gave you guys, which is hold on. That was AUD, right? It was AUD, right?
Yes.
AUD and USJPY. Let's go there. So I'll show you guys what I was expecting you guys to mark out. Because on our 15 minutes chart, beginning of the month, I don't know who this person is. I don't know who this person is. But this person got it correctly. Like this was what I was expecting. I need you to show me the uptrend, then the downtrend, the uptrend again, then the downtrend. You get then the overall downtrend, then the accumulation. You get then the uptrend. With this basic knowledge, you can as well make profit in the market. You see, with this small knowledge where you don't get here now, like you have seen here right now, you can as well make money in the market. So this person got it correctly. I don't know if he's here on the call. George, he got it correctly. That was what I was expecting. I was expecting that. You get. So let's continue. On the assignment, you see the person marked. The person's name. Let me look for it. Overall trend, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm using a system, so I'm more equipped. You get to mark things out. You get. So okay, this is another mistake I'm making. Hold on, I'll correct myself. Yeah, I made a mistake. This is the highest high that is here. Then it's highs and higher lows. You get. Then on the other hand, we are studying our lower lows and lower high, lower highs and lower lows. You get low. This one becomes a protected. This is very simple something. You get nothing much to talk about when we talk about higher highs and higher lows. You get when we talk about higher highs and higher lows, it's nothing much to talk about. So now, I don't know if I should leave you guys to practice again. You get before I advance to advanced structure, our algo structure. I want to talk about it a little, but you know, I think most of us are still confused about this our higher highs and higher lows. You get so I might leave you guys today. Today you get to check again, try and mark it out again, watch our video again, try and digest these higher highs and higher lows. It is important you know them because the advanced structure will require you to know them. When you see this, you will know. When you see your higher high and higher low, you will know. It will require you to know. You get. Then when we talk about our advanced structure, we talk about swing structure, we talk about substructure, and we talk about minor structure. These are where when you will start making trades on your own. You get. When you start seeing everything on your own. Okay. But for now, go back to the videos. This video will be very short. You get. It will be very short because I want you guys to use this time now. It's still 9. It's not up to 30 minutes we started this class. So with this few 30 minutes, once it's 9:30, I will pause the class. So that you guys will use the 30 minutes to mark out, go to this particular pair, mark the same thing out. Use your 30 minutes to mark using this using these two. These two, you can find it here. I think it's here. Not here. Hold on. Okay, it should be here. This particular two, highs and higher lows. I need you guys to understand what it is because next class will not be touching about it. We will be going straight to advanced market structure. You get advanced market structure. We have our advanced market structure to talk about. We have our POIs to talk about. Then we have our daily bias to talk about. Now, once it involves daily bias, then it will be the end of your class because daily bias will deal with your like putting everything together, both your risk management and everything. You get. So right now, last high. You get the last low, the last high. Remember this, the last. Hear you, I can hear you. Go on.
Okay, you say there is no low below that, but your cursor is pointing at the top. I don't understand. Like,
explain properly. Let me understand. Hmm?
let me say where your cursor is pointing is at
Here.
the high, but you say there is no low below the.
This is becomes your high, then your low, then your high, then your low. There is no low that is below this one. It's becoming messy. Okay, so talking about. Watch this video. I need you guys to rewatch the first one, then watch this second one now. Okay. So you guys understand where the main low is. Where the main low is because you will use it in the advanced market structure. You will use it in the advanced market structure. In order not to get confused, you will use it. You get. You will make use of it very very well. And here now, this is where we make our trade. After we make the sell side, you get. We sell to the higher, I think lower low. We sell to the lower low. But in the uptrend, we buy to the higher high. We buy from the lower high, we buy to the higher high. You get. But with the advanced market structure, you guys will understand where to buy and where not to buy from. You get. Where to buy and where not to buy from.
Yes.
So now go back, take your time, watch. In fact, write it down for clarity's sake. Write it down, compare. If you can analyze, mark it out. Mark it out. Don't worry, you understand very soon. You understand why you are marking from here,
Okay.
why we buy from here, why we buy from here, why we also buy from here, why we buy from here, and also why we will buy from here. You guys, it's very clear. You get, it's not that easy to understand though, but I need you guys to market structure. You get, that is when I'll explain in full details why you have to buy from here. Time, study the video again, enlighten yourself more. You get.
Okay.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right,
Thank you.
all right. You're welcome.